Hi, welcome back to Grandpa's World, and I'm Grandpa. Tonight we're going to do the Mary Celeste. The ship was being built in 1860. By May 18th, 1861, she was brand new and her name was Amazon. She was cursed ship from the very start. Her captain was Robert McClellan, and he took her on her maiden voyage in June of 1861. He left Staten Island and sailed for the Five Islands, where there he fell ill and sailed back to Staten Island, only to die on June the 19th. John Netting Parker was her next captain, and she collided with fishing equipment near Eastport, Maine, on the way to London. After leaving there, she ran into and sank a two-masted ship in the English Channel. After that, until 1867, all was good with the ship. Then, October of 1867, the Amazon was wrecked by a storm so badly her owners abandoned her. Richard Haynes bought the ship and restored her, and made himself her captain, and named her the Mary Celeste. In October of 1868, she was repossessed. 4 years later, she had a new captain, Benjamin Spooner Briggs. On Tuesday morning, November 7th, 1872, the Mary Celeste left for Genoa, Italy, from New York. On board was Captain Briggs, his wife and baby daughter, and 7 crew members. Another ship, the Delgata, sailed following the same course as the Mary Celeste only 8 days later. Now the Delgata's captain was David Morehouse. On December 4th, Captain Morehouse came on deck and saw a vessel coming towards them about 6 miles away. Seeing how the ship was weaving its way towards them, he thought something was wrong. As the Mary Celeste came near, Morehouse couldn't see anyone on deck and received no reply from his signals. So he sent 2 of his crewmen in a boat to go see what the ship was. When the crewmen saw it was the Mary Celeste, they climbed aboard and found no one on the ship. The sails and the riggings were damaged, the ropes were just hanging, and the hatches were left open. Mary Celeste's lifeboats were gone. The ship's compass was broken. There were a little over 3 feet of water in her hold, but not enough to make everyone abandon ship. In the mate's cabin, there was a ship's log dated November 25th, 8 a.m., and this was 9 days earlier. The ship was 400 miles away from this spot. As everything was left open, the only thing missing was the captain's papers, the ship's papers, and the navigational tools. Personal belongings, food, drink was ample. The galley was neat and orderly. There was no sign of violence or fire. It looked like there had been an organized exit from the ship onto the lifeboat, and no one knows what happened to the passengers that was on the Mary Celeste, and they probably never will. If you like me, hit the like button. If you'd like to subscribe, please subscribe. On the subscribe button, push it please, and on the notification bell, push that if you'd like to know when we post new content. Have a great evening.